After 2 nights of the worst sleep of my life, these are finally coming out. So the results better be worth the 2 nights of terrible sleep. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. As you can tell by the title, today I'll be installing a Flexi Rod set. Now I've only done this hairstyle a couple of times. In fact, I do have a video upload of the last time I did it, which was a couple of years ago. But anyway, that's what we'll be doing today. As you can tell, I started off with stretched hair, and I did upload a video, a YouTube short, where I demonstrated to you guys how I stretch my hair without using heat. So if you haven't seen that one already, please go and check it out, and then you can come back to this video and watch me install these Flexi Rods. Now that I've taken down all the twists, you can see how thick and full the hair looks. This is why we need to work in sections, because that just makes it easier to install the Flexi Rod. But before we go any further, I just wanted to say that I am so excited for what's coming to this channel. So over the next month, I'll be uploading a lot more content, and I really want to take you along for the ride. So you can expect a full variety of hairstyling tutorials like this one, hair maintenance videos, growth tips, and even sit-down commentary on some of the trending topics in the natural hair space. Whether that's discussing ingredients, debunking hair myths, or just sharing my experience as a 4C natural navigating different hairstyles, I really want this to be a space where we can talk about it all. And I'll be answering some of the questions you have, from what products actually work on thick, tightly coiled hair to my go-to protective styles, and yeah, it's all on the way. So if that is something you're into, guys, and this is for my non-followers, if that is something you're into, real results, honest reviews, and natural hair care that is actually relatable, then please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss anything. Because this season, we're focusing on growth, health, and confidence in our crowns. So yeah, stay tuned for that, guys. I'm super excited. As you guys have just seen, I sectioned my hair and broke each section down into smaller sections, because working with smaller sections gives me more definition and helps everything come out smoother. So I used the Shema Hair Mousse, which I absolutely love, guys. It smells amazing and it leaves my hair shiny and with good hold. But I used that just a little bit because I don't want to use too much product, as I don't want my hair to revert. I want the hold, but without losing that stretched base. For the rods, I used 2 different sizes, the purple medium-sized ones and the smaller red ones for a tighter curl pattern. And honestly, guys, I mixed up those 2 because I did not have enough to cover my whole head. But anyway, I love it because it gives my hair more dimension when I do. As I'm rolling up the Flexi Rod, you can see that I'm smoothing down the hair with my thumbs to make sure that everything is tucked away and that I don't have any flyaways by the time it's taken down. And it just gives it a smoother result. Here's a quick hack if you plan to use heat to help set your Flexi rods faster. After installing your rods, just slip a wig cap over your head before sitting under the dryer. The mesh lets the air flow through easily so your hair still dries but holds everything in place. No flyaways, no frizz, it keeps the rods snug so your curls form smoothly. It's such a simple step but makes a big difference in getting that sleek, defined finish, especially if your hair tends to shift or puff up while drying. I, however, did not use heat. I waited 2 days for my hair to dry. But if you don't have that time, then you might as well just try out this technique.
After 2 nights of the worst sleep of my life, these are finally coming out. So the results better be worth the 2 nights of terrible sleep. Crossing my fingers. Wish me luck, guys. So I have these 2 out. As you can see, guys, I did these off camera. It looks promising, but I'm not gonna get my hopes up too high because we still have these ones, which I'm hoping come out right. But anyway, let's do the next one. No, I'm causing a little bit of frizz here and oh no. Let's try the other side. There we go. Okay, see that, guys? That was smooth takedown. Now I need to fix this. I need to find a way of getting this one out without causing too much frizz. So yeah. Oh, so for this one I figured out a way, so I'll unravel it from the top like this. Oh no, guys. What have I done? Okay, so I managed to get this one off, but as you can see, guys, we ended up with a little bit of frizz at the end, but it's okay. Let's keep going. Okay, that's one side done, so let's move on to the next. See, with some of these I definitely need to do them off camera and in front of the mirror so that I don't cause too much frizz. As you can see, these two as well are kind of frizzy at the ends. But yeah. Okay, sure, moment of truth, guys. Okay. All right. Not bad at all, guys. Not bad at all. Okay.
Guys, unfortunately, this is where the video ends. I just realized that the clip where I do show the final results has been deleted. I'm so upset, guys. I'm really, really sorry that I don't have that clip, but I will insert a clip of a day later. My hair still looks relatively good. So yeah, it kind of gives you an idea of what it looks like after I took down the Flexi Rods and I separated the hair. Anyways, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up, and please do subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on the notifications so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Until the next one, guys, goodbye.
So this is what it's looking like right now, you guys. So I'll just fluff it out a little bit more so that it's less flat. But yeah, so far so good. I don't think I want it in my face today, so I might just put it up like this maybe. Let's see.